On this channel, I love to share the power of performing assets like real estate. Building streams of income with performing assets is a far more sustainable way to create wealth than trading hours for dollars. That's what you do every time you go into an office. You're trading your life, frankly, your hours that you have left in your life for dollars. And you only have a finite number of hours left in our lives. I know it sounds a little macabre, but it's absolutely true. So if you want to work towards replacing your salary with performing assets like rental properties, then this video is for you. And listen, this isn't just some pie in the sky idea, right? I'm sharing the exact formula that I've used to leave behind my day job. And I've watched other investors do it too. How? All you have to do is follow a simple formula and stay committed to that formula. Let me share a little of my story so you understand where I'm coming from in case you're not familiar with this. For years, I worked as a news anchor at a major news network. To some, that might sound like, hey, that's a dream job, right? And to me, it was a great job. It was at one point. But eventually, the 3 a.m. wake-up calls got a little old. And as I grew, my family, my priorities began to shift. And even though I had a high-paying salary, the money wasn't really on my own terms, right? Whenever I had a contract coming up to be renewed, and I'd find myself getting anxious. I'd hold my breath. Am I going to be able to pay for my mortgage, my family? What if they don't renew my contract? It was really, stressful. I had a job that was to pay my bills. That's really the only reason I had this job. And what if I was out of that job? It was a very stressful time. Plus, it seemed like at the end of every month, there were still bills left over to pay and no paycheck left to cover it. So I started thinking about, what could we do differently in my family? I started out by selling some of my possessions out of my closet. I had like an old camera. I started selling some of that stuff, but I realized that's not sustainable. How are you going to keep doing that? You're going to run out of things pretty quickly. I needed a better action plan to cover my monthly expenses for the long term. I finally realized if we were going to be financially free, we'd have to put our money to work for us. If we wanted to create cash flow and passive income, we'd have to implement an actionable plan based on tangible numbers. And that's how I created the Freedom Cheat Sheet. It's a PDF that's designed to help you determine how much passive income you need to cover your monthly expenses. Determining my freedom number, it changed everything for me and my family. And I know it can be transformative for you as well because I've seen it happen. I've seen it in action. And you can actually grab it for free. If you want to download it right now, all you need to do is go to our website, go to morrisinvest.com/freedom, or we'll have a link in the description box below. Now, the Freedom Cheat Sheet is at the heart of what I do in real estate investing and what we do at Morris Invest. Here's why I believe the Freedom Number formula is so amazingly powerful. It's not just an arbitrary number. It's custom fit to your exact situation. So here's what I suggest if you're ready to replace your income with performing assets. First of all, calculate your Freedom Number. Again, get the download for free. Go to morrisinvest.com/freedom. Okay, grab it. I'm telling you, I'm pushing it on you because I want to change your life. It's free and it will change your life. Then I want you to keep that number in your consciousness as much as you can. What is your freedom number? Is it $4,100 a month for you to live financially free? Maybe it's $6,800 a month. Maybe it's $2,000 a month. Whatever it is, write it down. Put it on your bathroom mirror. Set it as your desktop background on your computer or wherever you need to keep that number focused and right in front of your brain on a daily basis. Now, don't expect to change your life overnight. It's not going to happen just overnight. But the freedom number changed my life. And it's not like I woke up the next day and everything was perfect. No. But it took me a few years to work towards that goal and eventually leave my day job. Investing in real estate is a long game, so you have to stay patient and focused. It's important to keep learning on your journey. It's best to educate yourself about strategies and keep them in your back pocket for when you need them. Building your financial intelligence will help you reach your goals faster and more efficiently. And finally, get support. This can come in many different forms. You can have a supportive spouse, a mentor, a group of like-minded investors at your local meetup group. At Morris Invest, this is what we do. We'd love to cheer investors along as they strive towards their freedom number. In fact, before people even book a call with my team at Morris Invest, we make sure that they have to download the Freedom Cheat Sheet before they even get on the phone with our team. So right away, when we're on the phone, that first phone call, we're asking them, what is your freedom number? Because we want to be on the same page with our potential clients that we're going to work with and help them buy in, real estate over the next couple of years. Is it 4 properties? Is it 6 properties that they need in order to hit that goal? Right? We want to know that. We can even help you develop a plan to get there. So just come on over to our website, go to morrisinvest.com, click on the schedule a call button, and then we'll ask you to bring your Freedom Number cheat sheet to your first phone call so we can get an idea of what your goals are. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope at least it gave you an idea of how you can start to replace your active income with passive income through performing assets. I've done it, hundreds of our clients have done it, and you can do it too. I'm telling you, you can do it. If you've made it this far, hey, I'm so proud of you for being so dedicated to building your financial education. So check out this next video on creative financing secrets the big banks won't tell you about. This is a game changer. Check out this video, and we'll see you next time.